Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the dev error PS5 BO6 real solution. So for the cause is the BO7 files auto installing. So to fix that one, step number 1 is to delete the BO7 files. So to do that, just go to settings, tap on the storage, and then go to games. From there you will see a delete BO7 data. So you just have to click on that one to delete the BO7 data. Next up is to disable auto downloads. So to do that, just go to settings, tap on the saved data, and then turn off auto download. So you will just see a toggle on and off. So you just have to toggle it off to turn off the auto download. Lastly is to rebuild the database. So click on the save mode and then click on the rebuild database and then restart. So this will stop the BO7 from corrupting BO6. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!